tonight I'm at the underpass coming up from Central Pattaya, goes over to Valley High Pier. Right, there we are. There's the underpass coming up from Central Pattaya Klang, and this is the overpass that goes down and around to Valley High Pier. And the reason I've come down here tonight is to just have a look. This is a little gem of a place. If you're sports orientated, there's some nice little sport courts here that you can use. So let's have a wander around and have a look. Now, one of the reasons why I've come down here is because there's a game I've often passed here when I've gone on bar buses and that, and it's like foot tennis, but in actual fact it's called Sepak Takraw. Let's just, I don't know the correct pronunciation on this, but it's a bit like foot tennis, but it's played with a ball, a wicker woven ball on a court. So let's just have a little wander around and let's see what we can come up with. Now here's the ball, and you can see it's let me just get an angle. I'm going through the fence at the moment. It's a wickerwork woven ball, open ball. Now have a look at ball. Oh, right, so it's only a wickerwork. Oh, very light, very light. They're here most nights playing. So let's see if we can just get some of the action. And there's some quite amazing acrobats here. In the court, already played. We'll see if we can get in. I don't want to disturb them, but right. So I've asked, and they've allowed me to come and sit in on the net line, just to see what this is all about. He's sort of putting some practice in. It looks like obviously 3-a-side. I don't know what the scoring system is, but the object of the game obviously is to keep the ball up in the air. So it looks like it's served, and then once it's served, a bit up in the air by any means possible. Heading it, kicking it, putting you on your chest, but you don't use your hands. So this is. It looks like we're having a change of team here. Obviously these guys must be quite fit because they're it's quite warm tonight, as it normally is in Thailand, but they're all heading the ball at the moment. There's some nice heading work coming along. I don't know if this is if it's a Thai sport or it's been adopted, but certainly guys are used to knocking this little ball around. Yeah. What's your name?
Liam.
Liam. All right. What's this game called? What's the game called?
Takraw.
Ccrosstour.
Takraw.
Ccrosstour. Use head, feet, no hands. When you play, use your head, chest, feet, no hands. You can't touch with hands.
Yes.
Head.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. No.
Oh no, no. All right.
Yes.
It looks like we're ganging up on them now. Look. He's doing a little bit of showing off for the camera. We'll walk down here to the crossroads and see what's on the other side. And this court is the five-a-side football, looks like. They've all come down to have a little kick around. Quite nice that the schools do use it. To get coming down here, using it, not like unfortunately back in the UK where these sort of facilities are just left and abandoned and vandalised because everyone's at home playing on their PCs. At least in Asia, the kids do tend to use the facilities that are put on for them. While I'm down here, I just want to have a walk up the street and across the road at the moment because there's some nice art shops. There's some artisan artists here that do reproductions art. So let's have a look over there. I've got to negotiate this this road, but
I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go,